YouTube just dropped 7 powerful new updates that are going to completely change how creators work, grow, and make money on the platform. From AI-powered live streams to automatic video upscaling, YouTube is evolving fast. And if you're a creator, you'll want to know about every single one of these. Let's get straight into it. Number 1, dual stream, AI-powered vertical plus horizontal live. This one is wild. YouTube now lets you go live horizontally as usual, but their AI will automatically create a vertical version of your stream for Shorts viewers, both running at the same time. That means you can reach 2 different audiences with just one live session. To activate it, simply head to YouTube Studio on desktop, find the dual stream feature, and turn it on. The rollout is happening gradually, and most creators should get access within a month or 2. Number 2. Super resolution, AI video upscaling. YouTube's introducing an AI feature called Super Resolution, designed to upgrade the quality of older videos automatically. If you have old uploads in 240p, 480p, or even 720p, this feature will upscale them to 1080p, making them look sharper, cleaner, and more professional. All you need to do is enable it in your YouTube Studio settings, and YouTube's AI does the rest. Even your oldest content will start to look brand new again. Number 3, thumbnail size increased to 50 megabytes. For years, YouTube limited thumbnails to just 2 megabytes, which looked fine on phones, but terrible on large TV screens. Now that limit has been raised to 50 megabytes, allowing creators to upload crisp, high-quality thumbnails that look perfect on 4K TVs. This isn't just a cosmetic change, it can actually help you earn more. Since TV ads usually have higher payout rates, better thumbnails mean better impressions, and that means higher revenue potential. Number 4, new analytics metric, paid versus organic views. YouTube is finally making it easier to understand where your audience comes from. A new analytics feature will show you exactly how many views come from paid promotions like Google Ads and how many come from organic reach. This is a huge update for creators who run ads or promote their content because now you'll know what's really driving your growth and which campaigns actually perform. Number 5, Edit with AI feature improved. The Edit with AI tool is getting a major upgrade inside both the Shorts camera and the YouTube Create app. AI can now automatically trim your clips, create smart shortcuts, and speed up the early stages of editing. You'll still add your creative touches at the end, but this update can save creators hours of editing time. YouTube's goal is clear: make content creation faster and easier so you can focus more on creativity than on tedious edits. Number 6, YouTube Help AI chat support. YouTube is also improving its support system with a brand new AI help chat. You can type your issue directly, get instant AI-generated solutions or links to help articles, and if that doesn't fix it, you'll be connected to a live human support agent. It's currently only available in English, but it's already proving to be far more responsive than support systems on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. This move makes YouTube's creator support more reliable and accessible than ever before. Number 7, iOS Community tab image upload. And finally, some love for iPhone users. Until now, only Android creators could upload images in their Community tab posts or polls. But now iOS users can do the same, allowing photo uploads, polls, and interactive community posts right from your iPhone. It's a small update, but it finally brings both platforms to the same level. All 7 updates are rolling out gradually, and many creators are already starting to see them appear. The dual stream and super resolution features in particular highlight how deeply YouTube is integrating AI to improve both the creator workflow and the viewer experience. YouTube is clearly building a smarter, faster, and more creator-friendly platform, and those who adapt early will have a huge advantage. So tell me in the comments, which update are you most excited about? Is it the dual stream feature, the AI editing tools, or the new analytics? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more creator updates like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.